There are companies that are all about, transactions, and there's companies out there that are about transformation, right? This was definitely a story of transformation, and it was definitely something that we felt. I've heard horror stories. People spend thousands and thousands of dollars on college coaches, and then they do nothing for the kids and for the families, and then they're nowhere. I mean, there's just so much unknown out there. And I think what's really powerful, especially for people like us, the first time going through this whole process, is there's a lot of information out there. And it's like, where do you go? It's really nice to have a guide in this whole process, especially even as my first daughter going through this process and being able to have a trusted resource. It's nice to have consistency, accountability, reliability, all those things that, and like we talked about, you being a guide and a resource for us to tackle this whole. Because we came to you in what, June, and we were like, oh my goodness, we were behind the eight ball, and we definitely felt like we needed to play catch up, but it worked out really well.
I think well, I thought it was nice how it was laid out, like, it would give you a video, and then it would have, like, a specific spreadsheet template or, like, a Google Doc template that I could, like, easily put my information into, and then they've also, like, explained it. Some of the things on the spreadsheet I was confused on at first, or it was like, what specifically needs to go there, but a lot of the time, the video just answered my own question, and so that was nice. But if it didn't, then I would have the info sessions with you guys to ask for more help too. Yeah, specifically like the resume one I thought was really helpful.
It was the whole process that took the stress out of it for her because there was just like, if you do what you're supposed to do, when you're supposed to do it, it takes all of that out of the equation. And I think what happens with kids and students is that basically they wait and then they have to catch up and then it builds all the stress. So the fact that it was like outlined and be able to like tackle it lesson by lesson, I think that removes all of the stress out of the whole process. I would definitely say it was nice for as a parent to give this to Eva and have it be a self-guided study. And I know Eva's a self-starter, so it was a right fit for her. But there is a lot of accountability, which I really like too. Just having the meetings on Wednesday and Sunday, you kind of have to do your work for it in preparation and come with your questions. So I love the small group aspect of it. It was very customized and we felt that we were important to you and that we mattered. We were just like a ticket. We were actually people you cared about and wanted to be successful. And that is just, I think, hands down why somebody should choose you in this whole process. We're huge people that believe in investment, especially in self. You always follow your money, right? Especially your mom's money. And the fact that Eva got a lot of scholarship made it that more lucrative for her and for us that we had a place to go to. I knew it was going to pay back for itself. That you hit the ball out of the park, and we're just super grateful. Yeah, we're grateful for you guys. So thanks for the
Yes,
thing you
thank
do.
you.